Hi there, this is Saul here at Saul's Automotive, and the reason I'm standing here today between two vehicles where you normally see me with just one is because the vehicles behind me are essentially both the same. The Chevy Silverado that you see on your right and the Hummer H2 that you see on your left both utilize the exact same GM engine, transmission, transfer case, and many axle components. They even use some of the same brake components. So if you've got a Hummer and you're looking to get repairs done and you're worried about outside the dealership services or somebody that needs to have that specific knowledge for it, you can rest assured that it is built with factory General Motors products, is a pretty standard vehicle to service, and at the same time gives you the off-road capabilities, the towing, and the prowess that you desire and why you purchased that vehicle in the first place. If you've got a Hummer and you're concerned about service, longevity, or you really just want to get the most off-road power and performance out of it, give us a shout here at Saul's Automotive. We can take your Hummer and we can get as much out of it as you'd like, and at the same time keep you on the road for hundreds of thousands of miles. We know these vehicles are no longer in production, and as they have slowly become more in demand, the desire to keep them on the road and keep them reliable is increasing. We're partnering with several different manufacturers in order to get the best parts available to ensure that we'll be able to keep these on the road for literally decades to come. If you want to get yours in, make sure you've got a good plan and know that you'll be able to keep it for years to come, give us a shout here at Saul's Automotive. 303-919-7769. We'd be happy to take care of you.